EDI is about fairness and leveling the playing field for everybody, regardless of their background, regardless of the role, regardless of who they are, regardless of their identity. It's about making sure that everyone is welcome to the discussion about shaping the EDI in the school. I think that's what it means to me. So in terms of what drew me to EDI, I would say it's mostly my own personal journey. So I come from a different cultural background, first and foremost. I'm originally Polish, and I've only moved here for the university, which was 5 years ago now. So obviously that was a bit of a difference. Then I'm also a neurodivergent individual. I am autistic, I've got ADHD, and obviously I think a bit different. I process things differently, I see the world differently. And also another layer to that is the fact that I don't necessarily consider myself cisgender. I've struggled with my gender identity for a very long time. So overall, all those sort of layers of identity that come into play here, I thought that maybe open some eyes in terms of what that means to have a lived experience such as mine, and maybe help out the colleagues that might be facing similar challenges to mine, and just kind of make them feel like they can comfortably be themselves in those situations as well within the university environment. In terms of the work that my focus group within the Belonging Project has been doing, which is the disability focus group, we've been involved in a number of different initiatives, which is great to see. The first one being the Hidden Disability campaign. The next thing we've been working on as a group is the accessible email template, which we're hoping to have circulated among colleagues across the School of Medical Sciences and implemented more widely in order to cater to those colleagues who might struggle with huge walls of text, or might be using screen readers, or might otherwise need a bit more assistance with accessing their emails. And then, last but not least, I've been heavily involved, and we have been heavily involved as a group really, in the upcoming See the Person campaign, which is meant to shed more light on transgender/queer identities and the pronouns that gender non-conforming individuals use in order to sort of make it a bit more easy to understand for those colleagues who might not identify as gender non-conforming or trans. I think in terms of what I gained personally from the EDI Belonging Project would be just being more comfortable on a personal level, just being more comfortable with who I am as a person and being more comfortable sharing that with others, because it's beneficial to me because I can open up, and it's beneficial to others because they learn something new as well. I would definitely recommend to others to get involved in the project. It's great fun, to be honest. Everyone's super lovely on the committee. Everyone is just as enthusiastic to make some positive changes in the school. And also it just feels very sort of rewarding on a personal level, I think. It makes you feel like you're part of something important, and you actually are. And then when you actually see sort of the results of all the hard work you've been putting into all your little focus group projects, it just feels great. It feels like you've made a change, and it's going to be on a wider scale, and to see results of that is just fantastic, isn't it?